Today we are going to make a video of class 6 science chapter 13 magnets. Magnet, you should know what is magnet. If you will bring near a magnet, what thing? If you will bring an iron rod near magnet, it will attract. What is the meaning of this statement? It means magnet attracts iron like particles and another also particles. Okay, here magnetism was discovered quite a long time ago. Magnesia, magnet who lived in this place called Magnesia in northern Greece about 4000 years ago. Now next thing, magnetite is found in rock strata having iron deposits. Okay, iron deposit. Magnets, natural magnet and artificial magnet. Natural magnet, magnets which occurring in nature is known as natural magnet, while in artificial you can make a magnet through some processes. This is artificial magnet. Okay, magnetic needle, horseshoe magnet, magnetic bar, ball magnet, circular magnet. Permanent and temporary magnets. Permanent magnets, these are magnets that once made remains as magnets for a long period of time. Okay, we now use the magnetic properties of many materials for storing information in devices like the cassette tapes, computer disk, etc. Temporary magnet, magnet that one made remain as a magnet only for a short interval of time. Electromagnets are a commonly used form of temporary magnets. Okay, magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Magnetic materials, it means that thing attracts iron, steel, cobalt and nickel. Such type of things they may attract, that things are magnetic materials. Non-magnetic materials, materials that do not get attracted towards a magnet. A strength of a bar's horseshoe magnet. A strength, here poles, north and south poles of a bar magnet, north pole, south pole. Okay, attraction, interaction, attraction, repulsion between bar magnets. Okay, you should read this thing and you are able to understand. Properties of bar magnet. Attractive property, directive property. Magnet has two magnetic poles. Like poles of two magnets repels each other, while they are unlike poles attract each other. Earth has a magnet. Earth is a huge magnet. Okay, Earth is a huge magnet. Making a magnet. Okay, how to make? You should read this thing. Finding direction. Okay, in case of finding direction, you know a magnet always indicates north and south direction. Okay, the first compass was invented by the Chinese in the 12th century. Before that, Chinese sailors used magnetite needles for navigation on ships. The travelers used to find direction by freely suspending a natural magnet. Here additional interesting facts about magnets. Here, how you keep a magnet. This is the process through which you can keep magnet. It will not lose their magnetic properties. Okay, magnetic keepers. Now question answer. Here, non-magnetic material, artificial poles, north, navigation, true, false, false, iron and iron nail, soft iron, north-south direction, a geyser. Attractive and directive. Strength is maximum near the ends or poles. Repulsion, Magnets X and Y have same pole by placing the needle near a bar magnet. And also value based question. Discipline and politeness to separate magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Yes, done. Question answer time. Here page 204 and 205. Here E first A, from here to here E first A, and also you should write from here to here. Okay, this is E first A, E first number. Now second number, page 215. Okay, yes, first B, answer of E first B, from here to here. Okay, this is the answer of first. Second, point A represents north pole of magnet P. If the end D A of magnet D Q is brought towards end B of magnet P, attraction between magnetic pole magnets will take place as opposite poles of two magnets attract each other. Question number 3, page 213. Here I have written, this is long question from here to here. Okay, this is long question and you should indicate page 213. And now question number 4, 214. This figure you should draw. Okay, this may be asked in the examination. And also 5A. Magnets can lose properties when heated or mishandled, and it loses properties when they are not stored properly. Magnet, question answer of 6 number. Magnet would have attracted the deep and the clip have got stuck to the magnets. Okay, I hope you like my video and subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj so that you can get new video. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.